When the buyers have too narrow an image of the brand, it is known as option A under positioning error, option B confused positioning error, option C doubtful positioning error, option D over positioning error. Answer option D over positioning error. A name neither related to product nor the producer is termed as option A coin name, option B arbitrary name, option C suggestive name, option D none of the above. Answer option B arbitrary name. Consumers likely to retain only that information which support their beliefs and attitudes are known as option A selective exposure, option B selective distortion, option C selective retention, option D none of the above. Answer option C selective retention. Dash was set by RBI in 1994 for developing secondary market for government dated securities. Options A SHCIL, option B OTCEI, option C NSE, option D STCI. Answer option D STCI. Venture capital financing is option A high risk low return business, option B high risk high return business, option C low risk high return business, option D none of these. Answer option B high risk high return business. Products which do not give immediate satisfaction to customers, but these are beneficial in the long run are option A pleasing products, option B statutory products, option C desirable products, option D deficient products. Answer option B statutory products. Question. Under the family decision making model of consumer behavior, those family members who control the flow of information about a product or service are called option A influencer, option B dealers, option C buyers, option D gatekeeper. Answer option D gatekeeper. White candlestick represent option A bearish trend, option B neutral trend, option C bullish trend, option D none of these. Answer option C bullish trend. Dash scale is also called summator rating scale. Option A Likert, option B semantic differential, option C nominal, option D ordinal. Answer option A Likert. Which of the following is not representing a virtual organization? Option A digital organization, option B network organization, option C modular organization, option D concurrent organization. Answer option D concurrent organization. Question. Dow theory is associated with option A market analysis, option B technical analysis, option C fundamental analysis, option D all of these. Answer option B technical analysis. Question. Income tax is shared among center and states based on the recommendations of option A Finance Ministry, option B Finance Commission, option C Planning Commission, option D none of these. Answer option B Finance Commission. Supervisor salary is an example of Options A variable cost, option B fixed cost, option C step cost, option D semi variable cost. Answer option C step cost. Question. Market orchestration is the technique of selecting option A product integration, option B additional segmentation, option C concentrated marketing, option D marketing mix. Answer option B additional segmentation. Question. Settlement of forward delivery contract cannot be done through option A liquidation in full, option B liquidation by payment of difference, option C carry over to the next settlement, option D none of these. Answer option D none of these. Question. Long-term capital losses can be set off against option A any capital gain, option B long-term capital gains only, option C short-term capital gains only, option D none of these. Answer option B long-term capital gains only. Question. For the purpose of verification, material cost variance is equal to option A material price variance plus material usage variance, option B material price variance plus material yield variance, option C material mix variance plus material yield variance, option D material usage variance plus material mix variance. Answer option D material usage variance plus material mix variance.